So, can a 21-year-old college student win the 4-month fitness challenge by Fitter? Hi guys, my name is Adrian and I have joined the Fitter 4-month fitness challenge. And this is crazy and something that will literally change my life in the next 4 months. मैं बात कर रहा हूँ फिटर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन चैलेंज की, इंडियाज बिगेस्ट ऑनलाइन फिटनेस कम्युनिटी with prizes worth 20 lakh rupees. But I just didn't do it for the prize. मैं इसलिए ज्वाइन किया क्योंकि I needed a purpose, a goal, a reason to get better, stronger and healthier. Not just from the outside, दिख रहे हैं ना, but from the heart and from the mind as well. So ये challenge है by Fitter, India's largest online community. It's not just about the abs or weight loss or muscle gain. This challenge is about a lifestyle transformation. मैं इस challenge का part बन गया हूँ जहाँ for the next 4 months I'm committing to something real. Eating clean, moving more, drinking more water, sleeping better and showing up for myself every single day. This isn't just a quick fix. It's about building habits that stay with me for life. Now, let's talk about the challenge. Let me break it down for you. Unlike previous years, this time it's not just about body fat percentage or weight loss. This time, Fitter is also tracking actual health parameters. Things like energy levels, sleep quality, hydration, daily movement, and consistency. Now, how do they do it? So, week 1 से पहले and week 16 से पहले you have to submit a blood test report of full body which includes everything, your liver, kidney, hormones, blood, lipid, everything. So I have submitted my week 1 blood report and the week 1 challenge is on. Now the 4 key things that I will handle are motion, like चाहे gym जाओ या walking, you gotta move daily. Nutrition, eat clean, eat balanced diets, no crash diets. Hydration, daily पानी पीना है, and rest, because who doesn't love a 8-hour beauty sleep? Now it's simple, right? But it's powerful because these 4 things agar daily करे, it will and can change my life. Okay, अब आते हैं to the spicy part, the rewards. Now Fitter is giving away 20 lakh worth of prizes to the top transformations. Now there are 2 parts to this. One is if you are going solo and second is if you are transforming with a fitter coach. So I am going solo because पैसा नहीं है. Now for the ones going solo, the top transformer will get 5 lakh worth of prizes which includes MacBooks, electric bike and 1 year of supplements. And for the runner up, you will get a heart ring which is basically a tracker ring and 1 year of supplement stack which is worth of 2 lakh rupees. Now for the ones going on a transformation with their fitter coach, well, I don't know about their prices, but I think it is around 10 lakh worth of prices to the top transformer and the runner up. Now I'm not doing this for the price. Honestly, मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा reward होगा to look myself in the mirror after 4 months and say, "Tu jeet gaya bro." To be proud, to be confident, to know that I gave it my 100%. Now I'll be document the journey weekly, and here's where you guys come in. Every week I will give full physique updates, meal tracking, workout progress, wins and struggle, and real talk, no filters. चाहे weight lose करूँ या muscle build, I want you to see it all because I want you to know that it's not easy but it's possible. अगर मैं कर सकता हूँ तो तुम, हाँ तुम जो बेड पे बैठे बैठे ये वीडियो देख रहे हो वो भी कर सकता है. Now what is the end goal? अगर मैं नहीं जीता तो क्या? देखो, to be honest, there are 10,000 participants in this challenge and most of them have a fitter coach also. And because everyone has a different lifestyle, everyone has a different meals, everyone has different metabolisms, I may not even crack to the top 1,000 also. But that's not the point. The real win, feeling mentally clear, having control over my body, becoming my strongest self, and breaking toxic habits, and inspiring even one person to start the journey. मुझे पता है 4 महीने बाद I'll be a better version of myself, not just physically, but emotionally and mentally too. देखो, जीतना ज़रूरी नहीं है, but change होना ज़रूरी है. Because a wise person said, change is the only constant. So if you're watching this and you are ready to change something in your life, start today. Not tomorrow, not Monday से, आज से. Follow my journey, get inspired, and maybe, just maybe, join me. ये सिर्फ एक चैलेंज नहीं है, ये एक मूवमेंट है. हैशटैग फिटर बनेगा इंडिया. So see you next week. Now keep grinding, keep lifting, and don't be lazy.